Listen to this. The world rushes. Everywhere you turn, there are voices demanding speed, faster results, instant answers, quick rewards. But wisdom whispers differently. Patience is the hidden key to strength. Let me tell you a story. Long ago, in a quiet monastery high in the mountains, a young disciple approached his teacher in frustration. "Master," he said, "I meditate every day. I study every night. Yet peace and wisdom escape me. Why must it take so long?" The old monk smiled gently and handed the boy a clay pot. Inside, he placed a single seed. "Water this each day," he said, "and return to me when the tree bears fruit." The disciple obeyed. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. He watered, waited, and watched, but nothing happened. Seasons passed. His friends laughed, saying, "Why waste your time on empty soil?" But still, he tended the pot. One morning, after years of care, a green shoot pushed through the soil. It grew into a strong tree, and in time, it bore sweet fruit. The disciple ran to his master in joy. The monk said softly, "The tree grew not only in the soil, but also within you. Patience has taken root in your heart." This parable is not just about trees. It is about life. Every success, every dream, every meaningful change grows slowly. We may plant the seed of effort today, but the harvest of results comes only with time. The impatient uproot their seeds too soon and wonder why nothing grows. History teaches us this too. Great discoveries, powerful works of art, enduring friendships, none are born in a hurry. They demand waiting, nurturing, faith. Even the most celebrated overnight successes are built on years of unseen effort, watered by persistence, guarded by patience. Perhaps you, too, feel restless today. You study, you work, you hope, yet the fruit has not appeared. Let me tell you, do not abandon your pot. Do not despise small beginnings. The roots are growing where your eyes cannot see. Patience is not weakness. It is quiet courage. It is the strength to endure, the faith to continue, the wisdom to trust the process. The one who learns patience does not simply wait. They transform while waiting. So breathe. Walk gently. Water your seed each day with effort and faith. For in time, your patience will bear fruit, and you will discover that the journey itself has already made you strong. Thank you for listening, my friend. If this story touched you, share it with someone who needs encouragement today. And remember, patience is not the absence of action, but the art of steady, faithful action. Discover the wisdom of patience, persistence, and growth. If this story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe for more weekly lessons on wisdom, life, and inner strength. Don't forget to click the bell so you never miss a new reflection.